I'm going to tell you a horror story about real estate and estate planning. This is a true story, and it happened to a friend of mine. My friend and her husband owned one of 3 units in a beautiful old Victorian in San Francisco. They were so happy. They had beautiful views and everything was lovely. And then one of the other owners died. He wasn't sick. He wasn't old. He just died. And he did not have an estate plan. He had not transferred his condo into a revocable trust. So you might think, so what? She and her husband owned their own unit. He owned his unit. What's the trouble? Here's the trouble. For the 3 years that it took for that property to clear probate, not one HOA payment. They stopped paying their property taxes. They never gave any capital contributions, and the place needed a new roof. So how do you put on a new roof? Well, maybe you need to get a refi, right? Pull some money out of the property. They could not get a good rate because of the probate. The property was deemed to be kind of distressed. So then they thought, well, let's just get the heck out of here. Well, nobody wanted to buy a property where one of the units was stuck in probate and one of the units was not making HOA payments and the place needed a new roof. The final insult came with a raccoon infestation because nobody was taking care of the unit. It was just sitting there empty and neglected. If you own one of 10 condos in a building, you are in business with everyone else in that building and you're in a danger zone. Estate planning addresses the danger zone. My name is Patricia DeFonte, and I'm the founder of DeFonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. We work with clients all over California on Zoom. If you own real estate with other people, please give us a call.